Good morning. We are in Busan this morning. We're having a breakfast. We will be heading off to a place called Yonggungsa Temple. That's maybe about 2 hours from here. We'll be taking a train. And going there. Now we're having a breakfast. That's breakfast, rice, and with some curry. And that's pork. It's got pork in it as well. Ryan's mom prepared it. It's lovely. How's it?
This reminds me of Northeast food.
We will eat and we'll head off.
Take a video. I want it that way. You are desire. My fire.
This is just for fun, okay? That's 101, and I'm trying to show not here because that's easy. There's nothing, but this guy needs it, so I'm gonna throw it to this guy. Let's see if it goes in there. Let's try it. Here you go. 1, 2, and
Where is it?
there.
Good luck for you.
Thank you.
Really? And then
So my good luck is to come back here.
what does it get after that?
우리 3명 찍어야 돼.
Hey, there's Aza. Hey, Pele. Aza there.
That's
Looks like Aza.
Oh, so hard.
oh stronger.
This is my arm.
That's your arm?
Yeah. Like when I was in the military.
Over there.
It's like back in Australia.
Professional photographers at work, Ryan and Ron. Yep.
There's water we can drink. KKK, but if you only have love for your own race, then you only live to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. Oh, sorry.
It's okay, let's do it.
Yo, your turn.
Separate. Love to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, they will hurt you, hear them cry. Can you practice what you preach? Won't you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above.